You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the community. There are two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's often said as irrefutable, stress on the second syllable on the re syllable, irrefutable. Now, in American English, it's often said as irrefutable, with a stress on the third few syllable, irrefutable in American English, or irrefutable in British English. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me immensely. And more videos for you to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.